Hello guys, welcome back to the Red channel. So guys, I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. In today's video, we are back again on our platform, Pocket option. Today we are going to trade along with the trend. The way the trend moves, that's how we will set our levels and trade here. Okay guys, so right now, at this very moment, there have been 2 red candles formed here and 1 green candle. So we can set our level right here at this point. This is our first level because the market touched this level and then moved upwards. If the market breaks above this level and forms a green candle, then the next candle could also be green, indicating a possible upward trend. Otherwise, we will go in the downward direction because the market trend is currently coming downwards. So let's see, our scenario for an upward move will only happen if the market actually breaks this level. Otherwise, the downward scenario will remain as it is, unchanged. So let's see what happens here in this particular situation. Okay guys, so I have placed a trade here for a down move because as you saw, just like I mentioned, there were 2 red candles here, so there could have been 2 green candles as well. So if this candle right here had moved upwards and formed what is known as a green candle, it would have broken through and then more buyers would have entered the market, pushing the price even higher. But what actually happened here is that the market suddenly moved downwards with a red candle, and now there are more chances that the market could potentially go further down from this point. Again, I will say that anything can happen in the market here because trading is a very risky platform and trading is a very risky business overall. So you should always keep in mind that whenever you trade, you should know in advance and be fully aware that this trade can result in a loss as well as a profit. It's not just about profit, there are losses too. Yes, a lot of people can lose all their funds here. So please keep in mind beforehand that trading is not something where it's only profit. There are losses here too, guys, okay? So the way we took the trade here, as you must have understood, is that we simply followed the prevailing trend in the market, whatever the ongoing trend was in the market, and when a green candle formed, we did not overthink it. When this green candle appeared, we took a trade, and now our trade has become quite profitable and successful. Alright, so now let's take another trade and see how it goes. Okay guys, so now let's look at the second chart. In EUR GBP here, red and green candles are forming. So I'll place this level here and I'll put this one here. Alright, I'll copy this and move it a little higher. Could you please raise it just a little bit higher here if you could, please? Alright, so we'll go ahead and take the trade in the upward direction, guys. Now, alright guys, let's get ready for this move. So I've now placed 2 upward trades here. In the market here, red candles are forming, and in this candle, you'll notice one more thing. In this red candle that's formed, you'll see a significant amount of buying pressure. Alright, if we look at the midpoint of this candle, let me just show you. Alright guys, if we look at the midpoint of this candle, it creates a level for us. Now, above that level, this trade, did this particular candle actually close above it? Alright, but the next candle that comes after that should ideally move upwards from here because this is our established base level. Okay, so we've clearly marked a word at the base level for reference. The second thing here is that the rejection from the buyers is stronger than the candle itself, alright? So in this case, the most probable outcome is that a green candle will form here, right? Alright guys, but a green candle didn't form, did it? But in our market, the closing happened on the upside. The closing was here, but the opening was higher. That's why our trade here has become profitable. Such glitches happen in binary trading. This is our one winning trade. But the trade did happen here. But the candle that's being shown here, it's showing a red candle. In true binary, what happens is that this is actually a green candle. When the closing of the red candle happened here, then how did the opening happen here? When this opening happened, if the opening was here, then the closing must have been here as well. That means this is a green candle, but it's showing as a red candle so that people get confused. All right. So these are the kinds of things that happen in the market. When you trade, you'll find out why. Only if you trade properly will you be able to understand. Otherwise, a lot of people just don't get what's happening here. Okay guys, so we've also entered GBP orders now. In GBP orders, a red-green pattern is forming. So yes, I'll try to apply a few things. Alright, so if the market actually breaks this important level of ours, but what's really happening here? Guys, there is definitely a significant level right here. Alright, so the market can go upward or in another direction because of this level. Okay guys, so I have taken an upward trade here, but our trade closed on the upper side. It opened on the upper side. If the market comes near this lower level, then I will definitely take our trade from this level because there is a pretty strong level here. So I want the market to come down to this level. Although the greenish movement here indicates that the market is in a strong bullish movement. Here it could happen that if the market forms even a little green and closes below our level, then we could have a loss here. Okay, so our trade was placed quite quickly. It should have been placed here at this particular point. No worries, let's see what happens here. Things are always sudden in the market. The market suddenly went up, so the trade happened on the upper side, but the market is going up, which is good for us. Okay, so let's see guys, let's see what the scenario is here. Okay, so this is a pretty deep winning trade for us. Okay guys, this is a pretty deep and significant winning trade, as you can see here. You can clearly see how profitably we traded here, right? Okay guys, so I really hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you haven't joined our Telegram yet, you can connect with us there. The link is given in the description and you can join anytime. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye bye.